Hey guys, it's Timara. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be updating you guys about my sister locks, 5 ways that I style my sister locks on the daily basis. I'm also going to tell you guys how I've started to embrace them and grown to love them. So if you want to see how I rock my locks, keep watching.
Sawdust, what's good?
I would say this is my go-to hairstyle. Every other hairstyle is me being creative, trying to figure out things that I can do with my hair. But basically every morning, I don't sleep with a scarf anymore. I'm just a free woman now. Like, I don't sleep with a scarf. Like, the only thing I sleep on is a satin pillowcase. I get this spray bottle.
I know what you want. She won't fuck with me cause baby don't want. It's a cold with you. This
is hairstyle number 1. Basically me spraying this little junk and running out the house because I gotta get to the bag. So let's go to the second hairstyle. Another hairstyle that I do is kind of like this little rock star type look. I'm gonna call this palm trees. You know, I just got back from LA. Check my LA vlog because that's popping for sure. If I want to do something like this, this probably took me like 30 seconds. But I just love the fact that I can get up and go and that I have more time to do the things that I love because I don't have to spend hours doing my hair or figuring out what I'm going to do for my hair. This is style number 2.
Can stop it. Drop top phone with installments. Got a lot of trades hitting my phone. Yeah, I'm in LA, you know I'm on go.
Okay, I don't have that much to put it all up, but I feel like I would walk out the house like this if I had like some hoops on or something like that. Something simple like this.
It's a cold with you, it's a bright one. Now I see it like cause baby you the right one.
They're small enough so that I can braid them and that they can lay down pretty flat so that all my wigs and units lay flat on my head. So that's another reason I love these sister locks. I'm still able to have fun expressing myself through my hair. The 4th reason why I love sister locks is that I get to try different stages of different styles. So when I started off super short, I couldn't do anything. That was just that. That was really me embracing me for who I am. But really the only thing that was showing was my whole entire face. So I was able to, you know, just kind of fall in love with myself more without all the extra hair and stuff. But now I got a little bit of bang, you feel me? I got a little bit of shake, you feel me? But all I did was basically braid this side. So this is something cute I would do. I would do this, you know, maybe if I was going on an interview or, you know, something professional. It's so weird because corporate America doesn't think that dreads are professional, but I can style these joints to be professional, okay? All right, now for the final style. Let's see what I'm gonna come up with. I guess this is the 5th style. I would just, you know, tie it up like this. This is really cool, like if you go into the movies, like on a, you know, rainy day or a fall day, because my ears are in. I think I remember my best friend be like, no, pull your ears out. I'm like, no, I want them in. I would definitely rock a little scarf to the function. No cap, I think this is my favorite one. This one's just like, oh my goodness, boy. Quit playing with me.
She acting like I'm nothing, oh no, she on one. New money, new problems, can't solve them. Start acting like you with us, you a problem. Lot of bitches, yeah, they say that they love me.
I think this is cute. I would definitely rock this. Okay.
When they see the money, I'm all in, I'm balling, she calling.
I really feel like a rock star when I have my sister locks. Like, I feel like a rock star. I'm so thankful for my mom. She convinced me to try something new. You already know this is growing with tea, and I love the fact that I started from the bottom, now we here. I started from the root, now we here. But yeah, I just feel like myself. Like, I feel so happy, I feel so free. My hair has been such a journey for me, but I think we can touch that in a different video. This was just like the fun reasons why I love my hair. And the 5 style, I'm gonna start wearing it if I don't just do this every single day, because this is enough for me. And until next time, it's about health, it's about lifestyle, it's about focus. It's Timara.
It's a cold with you, it's a bright one. Now I see it like cause baby you the right one. Dancer, she got me moving like